Tech to help. Windows 10 1 of 8. Step 1, click on the menu button. Step 2, click on then clock settings. Step 3, click on system. Step 4, click on tablet mode and then select when sign in, click tablet mode. After this you must restart your computer. Windows 10 2 of 8. If you go to all control panel items, easy of access center, you have many options and here are some examples. Use of computer without a display, optimize for blindness. Within here there are 3 main options. Turn on narrator. Narrator reads aloud and text on the screen, you will need speakers. Turn on audio description. Hear description of what's happening in videos, when available. Adjust time limits and flashing visuals. Turn off all unnecessary animations, when possible. How long should Windows notification dialog boxes stay open? You have options of 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute. There are also 2 links. Audio devices and sound themes. Learn about additional assistive technologies online. Make your computer easier to see, optimize visual display. Height contrast. Choose a high contrast theme. Turn height contrast on or off when left Alt plus left Shift plus print screen is pressed. Windows 10 3 of 8. When using keyboard shortcuts to turn easy of access setting on. Display a warning message when turning on a settings. Make a sound when turning a settings on or off. Hear text and description read aloud. Turn 0N narrator. Narrator reads aloud any text on the screen. You will need speakers. Magnifier zooms in anywhere on the screen and makes everything in that area larger. You can move magnifier around, lock it in one place and resize it. Make things on the screen easier to see. Make the focus rectangle thicker. See the thickness of the blinker cursor, 120. Turn off all unnecessary animations, when possible. Remove background images, where available. See also. Personalize appearance and sound effects. Learn about additional assistive technology. Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. When selecting these tools, they will automatically start each time you sign in. Typing using a pointing device. Use on-screen keyboard, Windows 10 4 of 8. When using keyboard shortcuts to turn easy of access setting on. Display a warning message when turning on a settings. Make a sound when turning a settings on or off. Hear text and description read aloud. Turn 0N narrator. Narrator reads aloud any text on the screen. You will need speakers. Magnifier zooms in anywhere on the screen and makes everything in that area larger. You can move magnifier around, lock it in one place and resize it. Make things on the screen easier to see. Make the focus rectangle thicker. See the thickness of the blinker cursor, 120. Turn off all unnecessary animations, when possible. Remove background images, where available. See also. Personalize appearance and sound effects. Learn about additional assistive technology. Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. When selecting these tools, they will automatically start each time you sign in. Typing using a pointing device. Use on-screen keyboard, Windows 10 5 of 8. Make the mouse easier to use. Adjust settings for the mouse or other pointing devices. There are 9 choices for a mouse pointer: regular white, large white, extra large white, regular black, large black, extra large black, regular inverting, large inverting, extra large inverting. Turn on audio description. Hear description of what's happening in videos, when available. Make thing larger on the screen. Turn on magnifier. Turn on mouse. Use the numeric keys to move the mouse around the screen. Activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse. Prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. See also. Mouse settings. www.microsoft.com web link, Windows 10 6 of 8. Make the keyboard easier to use. Adjust setting on the keyboard. Make the keyboard easier to use. When you select these tools, they will automatically start each time you sign in. Control the mouse with the keyboard. Turn on mouse keys. Use the numeric keypad to move the mouse around the screen. Make it easier to manage windows. Prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. See also: added Dvorak keyboard and change other keyboards input settings. Keyboard settings. Learn about additional assistive technologies online, Windows 10 7 of 8. Use text or visual alternatives for sounds. When you select these tools, they will automatically start each time you sign in. You can turn on visual notifications for sounds, Sound Sentry. Choose visual warning, you can have none, Flash active caption bar, Flash active windows, Flash desktop. Turn on caption for spoken dialogue, when available. See also: audio devices and sound themes. Learn about additional assistive technologies online, Windows 10 8 of 8. Make it easier to focus on tasks. When you select these tools, they will automatically start each time you sign in. Reading. Turn on narrator. Narrator reads aloud and text on the screen. You will need speakers. Remove background images, when available. Make it easier to type. Turn on sticky keys. Press keyboard shortcuts, such as Ctrl plus Alt plus Del, one key at a time. Set up filter keys. Ignore or slow down brief or repeated keystrokes and adjust keyboard repeat rates. Set up sticky keys, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 1 of 19. Enable accessibility features to make your computer easier. To use Learn More, make as hyperlink. Text-to-speech. Enable Chrome Vox, spoken feedback, on, off. Enable Select to Speak on, off. Hear text read aloud. Text-to-speech voice settings. Select and customize text-to-speech voices. Speech properties: slowest fastest. Rate lowest highest. Pitch quietest loudest, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 2 of 19. Volume quietest loudest. Preview. Voice to preview. English, Chrome OS UK English. English, Chrome OS US English. German, Chrome OS Dutch. Portuguese, Chrome OS Portuguese do Brasil. Spanish, Chrome OS Espanol. French, Chrome OS Francais. Italian, Chrome OS Italiano. Korean, Chrome OS. Dutch, Chrome OS Netherlands. Indonesian, Chrome OS Indonesian. Hindi, Chrome OS Bahasa Indonesian, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 3 of 19. Preferred voice. English. Chrome OS US English, Chrome OS UK English. Speech engines. Text-to-speech. Chrome OS built-in text-to-speech extensions. English, Chrome OS US English. German, Chrome OS Deutsch. Portuguese, Chrome OS Portuguese do Brasil. Spanish, Chrome OS Espanol. French, Chrome OS Francais. Italian, Chrome OS Italiano. Korean, Chrome OS. Dutch, Chrome OS Netherlands. Indonesian, Chrome OS Indonesian. Hindi, Chrome OS Bahasa Indonesian, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 4 of 19. Display. Use high contrast mode on, off. Enable full screen magnifier. Full screen zoom level, 2x, 4x, 6x, 8x, 10x, 12x, 14x, 16x, 18x, 20x. Enable docked magnifier on, off. Docked zoom level, 2x, 4x, 6x, 8x, 10x, 12x, 14x, 16x, 18x, 20x. Open display device settings. Allow you to adjust your screen resolution. Open setting menu. Display size. Make items on your screen smaller and larger. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127.5 of 19. Resolution. Determines sharpness of text and images 720 by 400, 70 Hz, 640 by 480. 60 Hz, 800 by 600 Hz, 832 by 624, 75 Hz, 1024 by 768, 75 Hz, 1280 by 720, 60 Hz, 1152 by 864, 75 Hz, 1280 by 1024, 75 Hz, 1280 by 1024, 60 Hz. Orientation standard, 90, 180, 270. Overscan. Night light. Make it easier to look at your screen at night or in dim light on, off. Color temperature. Schedule never, sunrise to sunset and custom. Adjust the boundaries of your desktop within the display never, sunset to sunrise, custom. Open appearance settings. Customize your text size, takes you back to main menu, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 6 of 19. Keyboard and text input. Enable stick keys, to preform keyboard shortcuts by typing them sequentially, on, off. Enable on-screen keyboard on, off. Enable dictation, speak to you. Send your voice to Google to allow dictation into any text field. Highlight the object with keyboard focus when it changes. Highlight the text caret when it appears or moves. Open keyboard device settings. Allow you to adjust your keyboard repeat rate, word prediction, and more. Control search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace and disable. Alt search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace and disable. Escape search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace and disable. Backspace search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace and disable. Caps Lock search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace and disable. Meta search, Control, Alt, Caps Lock, Escape, Backspace, and disable. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 7 of 19. Treat top row keys as function keys. Hold the search keys to switch the behavior of the top row keys on, off. Enable auto repeat on, off. Delay before repeat. Repeat rate. View keyboard shortcuts takes you to popular shortcuts. Copy selected content to the clipboard Ctrl+C. Focus address bar Ctrl+I or Alt+D. Go to next center plus tab. Go to previous tab Ctrl+Shift+Tab. Go to tabs 1 through 8 Ctrl+1 Thought 8. Lock screen Ctrl+I. Open new tab Center+T. Open new Windows Center+N. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127.8 of 19. Open the window, press and hold Alt+Shift, Tab. That has been unused tab until you get to the window. For the longest time you want to open the release. Overview mode this key with a box and 3 lines. Paste content from Center+V. The clipboard. Place focus in search Center+K or E. Address bar. Reload your current page redo button or Ctrl+R. See keyboard shortcuts Center+AL+/. Helper, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127 9 of 19. Switch quickly between windows. Press and hold Alt, tap Tab until you get to the window you want to open, then release. Take partial screenshots. Center plus Shift plus box with 3 lines. Take screenshot. Center plus box with 3 lines. Turn caps lock on and off. Alt plus search, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127 10 of 19. Open the link in a new tab in the background. Control plus click the link. Open the link in a new window. Shift plus and click a link. Open link in the tab. Drag the link to the tab's address bar. Open the web page in a new tab. Type a web address in the address bar, then press Alt plus Enter. Open the window that been unused for the longest. Press and hold Alt plus Shift, tap Tab until you get to the window. Time. Reopen the last tab or window you closed. Control plus Shift plus T. Return the tab to its original position while dragging the tab. Press Escape. Rotate window. Control plus Alt plus Shift plus. Switch quickly. Press and hold Alt, tap Tab until you get between window you want to open, then release. Take window screenshots. Center plus Alt plus. Toggle full screen. Unpin an app. Shift plus search plus escape. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 11 of 19. Tabs and windows. Close the current tab. Control plus W. Close the current window. Control plus Shift plus W. Dock a window on the left. Alt plus. Dock a window on the right. Alt plus. Go to the last tab in the window. Control plus 9. Maximize window. Alt plus equals. Minimize window. Alt plus. Move active window between displays. Alt plus search plus M. Move window to center. Alt plus Shift plus equals. Open cross window. Center plus Alt plus T. Open a file in a browser. Center plus O. Open a new window in incognito mode. Center plus Shift plus N. Open new tab. Center plus T. Open new Windows. Center plus N. Open the link in a new tab. Drag the link to a blank R on the tab strip. Open the link in a new tab and switch to new tab. Center plus Shift and click on the link. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 12 of 19. Pages and web browser. Add www and com to your input in the address bar, then open the page. Center plus Enter. Clear browsing data. Center plus Shift plus backspace. Focus on or highlight the bookmark bar, if shown, Alt plus Shift plus B. Go back to previous page. Alt plus left arrow. Go forward to the next page. Alt plus right arrow. Go to the bottom of page. Center plus Alt. Go to the next match for your search. Center plus G or Enter. Go to the previous match for your search. Center plus Shift plus G or Shift plus Enter. Go to the top of the page. Center plus Alt plus upwards arrow. Next pane. Center plus right arrow. Open home page. Center plus Home. Open the download page. Center plus J. Open the history page. Center plus H. Page down. Alt or search plus down arrow. Page up. Alt or search plus up arrow. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 13 of 19. Place focus in search address bar. Center plus K or E. Place focus on menu bar. F10. Previous pane. Center plus. Print your current page. Center plus P. Reload your current page or Center plus R. Reload your current page without using cached content. Center plus Shift plus R. Reset zoom level on the page. Center plus O. Right-click a link. Press Alt and click a link. Save all open pages in your current Windows. Center plus Shift plus D. As bookmarks in a new folder. Save the link as a bookmark. Drag link to bookmark bar. Save your current page center plus S. Save your current web page as a bookmark center plus D. Scroll down the web page space. Search the current web page center plus F. Search Chrome menu Alt plus E or F. Show Bookmark Manager Center plus Shift plus O, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 14 of 19. Show or hide the Developers Tools Console Center plus Shift plus J. Show or hide the Developers Tools Inspector Center plus Shift plus C. Show or hide the Developers Tools Panel Center plus Shift plus I. Show or hide the Bookmark Bar Center plus Shift plus B. Stop the loading of your current page. Escape. View Page Source Center plus U. Zoom in on the page center plus equals. Zoom out on the page center plus dash, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 15 of 19. System and Display Settings. Bring up Task Manager Search plus Escape. Click icons 1-8 on your shelf Alt plus 1 through 8. Click the last icon on your shelf Alt plus 9. Display Zoom in Center plus Shift plus equals. Display Zoom out Center plus Shift plus. Display hidden files in the File App Center plus. Mirror Monitor Center plus Open Square. Mute Sound Mute Key. Open Help Center Center plus forward stroke key. Open the File App Alt plus Shift plus M. Open the status area, where your account picture appears Alt plus Shift plus S. Open, close the launcher search. Preview a file in the Files app. Select the file. The press space put device in sleep mode, suspend, Shift press space, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 16 of 19. System and Display Settings. Reset Display Zoom Level Center plus Shift plus O. Rotate Screen 90 degrees Center plus Shift plus. See your notifications Alt plus Shift plus N. Show Stylus Tool Alt plus Shift plus P. Show the menu displaying a list of available items Shift plus Search plus K. Sign Add Control plus Shift plus Q. Submit feedback Alt plus Shift plus I. Swap primary monitor Alt plus broken box button. Switch to the input method of the next language Control plus Shift plus space, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 17 of 19. Text editing. Copy selected content to the clipboard Center plus C. Cut Center plus X. Delete the next letter, forward delete, search plus backspace. Delete the previous word Center plus backspace. Dim keyboard, for backlit keyboard only, Alt plus O. Focus address bar Center plus I plus or Alt plus D. Go to beginning of document Center plus search plus left arrow equals. Go to end of document Center plus search plus right arrow. Make keyboard brighter, for backlit keyboard only, Alt plus circle with lines coming out of. Move to the end of the next word Center plus right arrow. Move to the start of the previous word Center plus left arrow. Paste content from the clipboard Center plus V. Paste content from the clipboard as plain text Center plus Shift plus V. Redo your last action Center plus Shift plus Z. Select everything on the page Center plus A, Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 18 of 19. Select previous word or letter Control plus Shift plus. Select text to the beginning of the line Shift plus Search plus. Select text to the end of the line Shift plus Search plus. Select the content in the address bar Control plus I or Alt plus D. Select the next word or letter Control plus Shift plus. Switch to the input method of the next language Control plus Shift plus space. Switch to the input method of the previous language Control plus space. Turn caps lock on and off. Alt plus search. Undo the last action. Control plus Z. Chrome OS version 71.03578.127. 19 of 19. Highlight the row with the address bar. Alt plus Shift plus T. Move focus to pop-ups and dialog. Alt plus Shift plus A. Open right-click menu item from highlighted item. Shift plus Search plus Speaker button. Open the highlighted items on your shelf. Shift plus Alt plus I, then space or enter. Switch focus between status area, where your account Control plus or Control plus. Picture appears, launcher, address bar, bookmark bar. If visible. Turn Chrome Vox, spoken feedback, on or off. Control plus Alt plus Z. Turn on high contrast mode. Control plus Search plus H. Turn the docked magnifier on or off. Control plus Search plus D. Turn the full screen magnifier on or off. Control plus Search plus M. Zoom in, when docked or full screen magnifier enabled. Control plus Alt plus sun-shaped button. Zoom out, when docked or full screen magnifier enabled. Control plus Alt plus sun-shaped button. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 1 of 19. General. General. Use keyboard shortcuts to zoom. Toggle zoom, 8. Zoom in, equals. Zoom out, dash. Toggle smooth images /. Toggle keyboard focus following, unassigned. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 2 of 19. Vision. Voiceover. VoiceOver provides spoken and braille description of items on the computer screen and provides control of the computer through the use of the keyboard. Toggle VoiceOver, F6. On, off. Enable VoiceOver. Open VoiceOver training. Open VoiceOver utility, Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 3 of 19. Zoom. Use scroll gestures with modifier keys to zoom. Smooth image. Zoom following the keyboard focus. Zoom style, full screen, picture-in-picture options. Control. Option. Command. Set range for rapid zooming. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 4 of 19. Set range for rapid zoning. Maximum zoom. Magnification, X. 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40. Minimum zoom. Show preview rectangle when zoomed out. On, off. When zoomed in, the screen image moves continuously with pointer. Only when the pointer reaches an edge. So the pointer is at or near the center of the screen. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 5 of 19. Display. Invert colors. Reduce motion. Use grayscale. Increase contrast. Differentiate without color. Reduce transparency. Display contrast. Normal maximum. Cursor size. Normal large. Shake mouse pointer to locate. Quickly moves the mouse pointer back and forth to make it bigger. Display resolution and brightness can be adjusted in Display Preferences. Open Display Preferences, which gives you options. Resolution, default for display or scales. Rotation, standard, 900, 1800, 2700. Air display off, Apple Display. Show mirroring option in the menu bar when available. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 6 of 19. English United Kingdom, Daniel, Kate, Oliver. English, South Africa, Tessa. Hungarian, Hungary, Mariska. Russian, Russia, Katya, Mylena, Yuri. Arabic, Saudi Arabia, Majd, Tariq. Chinese, China. English, United States, female, Agnes, Alison, Ava, Kathy, Princess, Samantha, Susan, Vicky, Victoria. Indonesian, Indonesia, Damayanti. Slovak, Slovakia, Laura. Ting Ting, Chinese, Hong Kong. English, United States, male, Alex, Bruce, Fred, Jr., Ralph, Tom. Italian, Italy, female Alice, Federica, Paola. Spanish, Argentina, Diego. Sinchi, Czech, Czech Republic. English, United States, novelty, Albert, bad news, Bach, bells, boing, bubbles, cellos, deranged, good news, hysterical, pipe organ, trinoids, whisper, Zavix. Italian, Italy, male Luca. Spanish, Colombia, Carlos, Soledad. Ivta, Zuzana Danish, Denmark, Magnus, Sarah Finnish, Finland, Satu. Japanese, Japan, male Kyoko, Ottawa. Spanish, Mexico, Angelica, Juan, Paulina. Dutch, Belgium, Ellen. French, Canada, Amélie, Chantal, Nicholas. Korean, South Korea, Yana. Spanish, Spain, Jorga, Monica. Dutch, Netherlands, Cher, Xander. French, France, Audrey, Orly, Thomas. Norwegian Bokmål, Norway, Henrik, Nora. Swedish, Sweden, Alva, Clara, Oscar. English, Australia, Karen, Lee. German, Germany, Anna, Marcus, Petra, Yannick. Polish, Poland, Ewa, Zosia. Thai, Thailand, Kenya. English, India, Vina. Greek, Greece, Melina, Nikos. Portuguese, Brazil, Felipe, Luciana. Turkish, Turkey, Sam, Yelda. English, Ireland, Moria. Hebrew, Israel, Karmit. Portuguese, Portugal, Katarina, Jonah. English, Scottish Standard English, Fiona. Hindi, India, Leka. Romanian, Romanian, Lona, Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 7 of 19. Display. English United Kingdom, Daniel, Kate, Oliver. English, United States, novelty, Albert, bad news, Bach, bells, boing, bubbles, cellos, deranged, good news, hysterical, pipe organ, trinoids, whisper, Zavix. Polish, Poland, Ewa, Zosia. Arabic, Saudi Arabia, Majd, Tariq. Finnish, Finland, Satu. Portuguese, Brazil, Felipe, Luciana. Chinese, China, Ting Ting. French, Canada, Amélie, Chantal, Nicholas. Portuguese, Portugal, Katarina, Jonah. Chinese, Hong Kong, Sinchi. French, France, Audrey, Orly, Thomas. Romanian, Romanian, Lona. Czech, Czech Republic, Ivta, Zuzana. German, Germany, Anna, Marcus, Petra, Yannick. Russian, Russia, Katya, Mylena, Yuri. Danish, Denmark, Magnus, Sarah. Greek, Greece, Melina, Nikos. Slovak, Slovakia, Laura. Dutch, Belgium, Ellen. Hebrew, Israel, Karmit. Spanish, Argentina, Diego. Dutch, Netherlands, Cher, Xander. Hindi, India, Leka. Spanish, Colombia, Carlos, Soledad. English, Australia, Karen, Lee. Hungarian, Hungary, Mariska. Spanish, Mexico, Angelica, Juan, Paulina. English, India, Vina. Indonesian, Indonesia, Damayanti. Spanish, Spain, Jorga, Monica. English, Ireland, Moria. Italian, Italy, female Alice, Federica, Paola. Swedish, Sweden, Alva, Clara, Oscar. English, Scottish Standard English, Fiona. Italian, Italy, male Luca. Thai, Thailand, Kenya. English, South Africa, Tessa. Japanese, Japan, male Kyoko, Ottawa. Turkish, Turkey, Sam, Yelda. English, United States, female, Agnes, Alison, Ava, Kathy, Princess, Samantha, Susan, Vicky, Victoria. Korean, South Korea, Yana. English, United States, male, Alex, Bruce, Fred, Jr., Ralph, Tom. Norwegian Bokmål, Norway, Henrik, Nora. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 8 of 19. Play. Announce when alerts are displayed or application need your attentions. Enable announcement. Option. Voice, use system voice, Kate, customize. System voice. Phrase, application name, next in phrase list, random from the phase list alert. Attention. Excuse me. Pardon me, edit phase list. Delay 0 to 5 10 30 60 seconds. I. Play cancel OK. Announce when alert are displayed or application need your attention. Enable announcement options. Speak selected text when the key is pressed. Current key, option plus escape change key. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 9 of 19. Media. Descriptions. Audio description. Provide a spoken description of visual content in media. Play audio description when available. Captions. Style of subtitles and caption. Default. Classic. Large text. Or you can customize to your preference. Prefer closed caption and SDH. When available, subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing, SDH, or closed captions will be used instead of standard subtitles. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12.65 10 of 19. Hearing. Audio. Flash the screen when an alert sound occurs. Test flash screen. Play stereo audio as mono. Name type. Basso built-in. Blow built-in. Bottle built-in. Frog built-in. Funk built-in. Glass built-in. Hero built-in. Morse built-in. Ping built-in. Pop built-in. Per built-in. Sosumi built-in. Submarine built-in. Tink built-in. System can be adjusted in sound preferences. Open sound preferences. Mac OS Sierra version 10.12. 65 11 of 19. Sound effects. Name type. Bosso built-in. Blow built-in. Bottle built-in. Frog built-in. Funk built-in. Glass built-in. Hero built-in. Morse built-in. Ping built-in. Pop built-in. Per built-in. Sosumi built-in. Submarine built-in. Tink built-in. Play sound effects. Thought. Internal speakers, other speaker that may be connected. Alert volume. Mute option. Show volume in menu bar. Play user interface. Sound effect. Play feedback when volume changes. Output volume. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 12 of 19. Display. Output. Select a device for sound output. Name type. Internal speaker built-in. L1780U, screen, HDMI. Apple TV AirPlay. Setting for the selected devices. The selected device has no output controls. Output. Mute option. Show volume in menu bar. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 13 of 19. Display. Input. Select a device for sound input. Name type. Line in audio. Line in port. Setting for the selected devices. Input volume. Mute option. Shown volume in menu bar. Input level. Output volume. Mac OS Sierra version 10. 12. 65 14 of 19. Interacting. Dictation. Dictation commands allow you to edit text and interact with your computer by speaking to it. Dictation command. Use dictation commands even when you're not dictating text by saying the keyword phrase before the command name. Enable the dictation keyword phrase, computer. Play sound when command is recognized. Mute audio output with dictating. Enhanced dictation must be enabled in dictation preferences. Open dictation preferences. Mac OS Sierra. Version 10. 12. 6515 of 19. Keyboard. Sticky keys allows modifier keys to be set without having to hold the key down. Enable sticky keys option. Press the Shift key 5 times to toggle sticky keys. Beep when a modifier key is set. Display pressed keys on screen options top right, top left, bottom right and bottom left. Slow keys adjust the amount of time between when a key is pressed and when keys is pressed, and when it is activated. Enable slow key options, use click key sounds. Acceptance delay. Also an option to go back and open keyboard shortcut. Mac OS Sierra. Version 10. 12. 6516 of 19. Mouse and tracking pad. Mouse keys allows the mouse pointer to be controlled using the keyboard number pad. Enable mouse key options. Press the option key 5 times to toggle mouse keys. Initial delay. Maximum speed. Mouse options. Mac OS Sierra. Version 10.12.65 17 of 19. Switch control. General. Switches control allow the computer to be controlled using one or more switches. These can be mouse, keyboard, gamepad buttons or dedicated devices. Enable switch control. Hide panel after inactivity between 0.25s, 60.00s with 0.25 intervals. There is also an option here to open panel editor. Here you can create your own switch control. For more information click here. Switches. This is where you can add switches. Living Made Easy. For more information please click here. Here is where you can add switches for a great website is on Living Made Easy. For more information please click here. Mac OS Sierra. Version 10.12.65 18 of 19. Navigation. While navigating, do nothing, speak selection, play sound, speak and play sound. Restart position, after cursor, from start of group, from the top. Auto scanning after selection, do nothing, resume. When pointer reaches edges, do nothing, bounce back. Switch control cursor size, small, medium and large. Pointer precision, low or hue. Loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is also an option here timing. Gliding and rotating cursor speed form, 0 to 100. Auto scanning interval in interface from 0.05s to 25.00s. Pause on first time, 0.00s to 10.00s. Mac OS Sierra. Version 10. 12. 65 19 of 19. Dwell control. General. Dwell control allows the mouse to be controlled using head or eye tracking technology. Dwell, or hold the mouse still for a specified amount of time, will trigger the dwell action specified in settings. On, off enable dwell control. Hide panel after inactivity, 0.25s to 60s.00s. Settings. Dwell action, left click, double click, right click, drag, and drop, scroll menu and option menu. Default dwell time, 0.25 to 8 seconds. Home panel dwell time, 0.25 to 8 seconds. Zoom after, 0.25 to 8 seconds. Dwell movement tolerance, 0 to 200. Auto revert to left click, hot corners. Pick the one-time action to be performed after dwelling on a screen corner. Activate screen corner. On 4 corners of then screen you get the following options: show home screen, pause dwell action, left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, scroll menu and option menu. Technology for a better future. Please email with any comments or suggestions to bs.tech2help4disabled@hotmail.com.